Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to install unknown apps on Android. To install unknown apps or install apps from unknown sources on Android, you need to navigate to devices settings, then apps and notification. So first of all, locate the settings here. And after which, what you want to do is on this page, you just need to navigate to the devices settings. So when you go to settings, you want to look for apps or similar options or security. Then you want to go to special apps access. So if you scroll down here, you could find these special apps or you have these special app access, right? So next thing, what you want to do is here, you want to go ahead and click on install unknown apps. So if you want to scroll down, or if you go ahead and scroll down a bit, you could find these options, and that is basically, and there you could select the app you'll use to install the APK, like your browser or file manager, and toggle. So allow this from the sources to enable it, and that is basically how you'll be able to install unknown apps on Android. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.